Ma'am, please go to the washroom. Ma'am, I am going to the washroom. Ma'am, I am going to the washroom. Ma'am,
again we will be having reading session. Okay, so those who were left will get the chance today. So I'm sharing my screen. Okay, everybody, I've got your messages. Chaitanya, Shresh, Siddhim, Daman, I've got your messages for good morning. Okay, so now I'm sharing my screen. I hope everybody's video is on now. Everybody turn on your videos. I have to start the class. Hardik, Shresh, and Aditri. Who else? Pay attention here, everyone. Now, Shresh, only you are left for turning your video on. Okay. Kushi, Jagjot, Alisha, I feel there are some network issues also, but please try to turn on your videos only. Okay. I will be checking in between. Okay. So now I'm sharing my screen. Once we will revise the old chapters and then we will start the new one. Okay, Jagjot, start reading. That day you didn't read now? Your name is not there. Unmute yourself, Jagjot. And please, nobody will spoil my screen. No need to write anything. I'm going to disable your participation. Garv Munjal, I can see you are doing this. Jagjot, can you hear me? Jagjot, am I audible? Start reading. Fine, I'm writing your name. I'll not give you chance again. Okay, let's move to the next. Keshav. Keshav, unmute yourself and start reading this poem. Keshav, am I audible? Unmute yourself, Keshav. Okay, Aditya Pratap.
Yes, ma'am.
Keshav and Jagjot, I feel I'm not audible to them. Okay, so you start reading this poem, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading this poem.
Ma'am, wait. Ma'am, screen is not visible.
Screen is not visible?
No, ma'am.
Okay, wait, let me share again. Now, it's not visible?
Ma'am, 1 minute. Yes, ma'am. Wake up,
Now
wake
you
up.
start reading then.
Wake up, wake up. It's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the tree and you can hear the buzzing bees.
Wait. I'm showing the screen more. Yes, now. Start.
Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. It's not too late to lie in the bed. So So hurry up, you sleepyhead. Wash your and dress and come on out. Everyone is up and out. The cow, the horse, the ducks, and the sheep. The tiniest chicken. Cheep, 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 wake up.
Yes. One word you pronounced wrong. Everyone is up and about. Okay. Here it's
Yes.
given everyone is up and about.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, very nice. Aditri, now you read out the whole poem again. Yes.
Wake. अरे मैं पूरा स्क्रीन दिख रहा हूँ. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees and you can hear the buzzing bees.
Start.
Wake up, lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. It's much too late to lie in bed. So hurry up, you sleepyhead. Wash and dress and come on out. Everyone is up and about. The cow, the horses, the ducks, and the sheep, the tiniest chicken. Cheep, 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 wake up.
Very nice. Okay, good. So, Avi, Katya, now it's your turn. Wait, I'm changing this. Now you will read Neha's alarm clock. Okay? Avi, my screen is visible now?
No, ma'am.
Okay, start.
Ring, ring, ring. Off goes the alarm clock at 6 in the morning. Nehas makes a face and covering her ears with a pillow, snuggles under the warm blanket, but she knows when the screen is. She knows that she knows she has get up. She mutters to herself, this alarm clock always rings at 6 and pulls me out of the bed. It's so unfair. Ouch! How I would love to sleep a little longer in the morning. I wish this alarm clock would forget its job sometime.
Okay.
Something.
Okay, stop, Avi. Very nice. You have read very well. Okay, now next we have Alicia. You didn't read that day. Start reading from. My screen is visible, Alicia.
Yes, ma'am.
Start from here. Narrator, something false. Neha smiled.
Narrator, something false. Neha smiles. Neha, oh, my clock has fallen. How happy I am. Tomorrow I can get up late. Narrator, next morning there is no alarm, so Neha sleeps and sleeps. The small chirpy birds, ma'am, next,
Yeah.
which come to the window still every morning fine. Neha still sleeping. Birds, wake up dear, wake up fast. Narrator, Neha gets up with a start. Neha, oh no, if it's not the alarm clock, it's these birds. Why don't they leave me alone?
Narrator. Even this wish of Neha's come true. The next morning there is no alarm clock. There are no birds either, but there is someone else who does not want her to miss the school bus. Can you guess who it is? The big bright sun. He fills Neha's room with a warm smile.
Paviter, can you hear me? I was mute, I guess. Am I audible, Paviter?
Yes,
Okay. Start reading from here.
ma'am. Where?
Neha, oh
Neha.
my eyes.
Oh, Neha. Oh my eyes. No, it's the sun waking me up. Why cannot he let me be? Netter. Even this wish of Neha's comes true. Next morning, the sun is behind the cloud. So Neha knows till she hears her mother's voice. Mother, wake up, sleepy head. You will miss the bus. Neha, oh no, miss the bus. Oh no, why does mother have to wake me up? Netter, there is no escape now. Neha gets up and gets ready. Can you imagine?
Okay. So now, Siddhim, you read. Wait, my screen. Siddhim, can you see my screen?
Mama?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pavitra, you mute yourself, please.
रीडिंग करवा ली
Pavitra,
मैम मैम कल तो रीडिंग करवानी थी शायद मैं आज मेरी
I'm not able to mute you. I don't know why. Okay, fine. Yes, Siddhim, start reading here. From here, narrator. There is no escape now.
Narrator, there is no escape now. Neha gets up and gets ready. Can you imagine what happens the next day? Neha wakes up with a start. Her watch says it is 6 o'clock. She calls out to mother. Neha, Ma, who woke me up today? Narrator, mother smiles. Mother, who else you also?
You
But
of course.
Neha, but I was sleeping. How could I? Mother, now tell me why Did you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon, Neha? I feel hungry. Mother, why do you sleep at 9 every night? Neha, because I feel sleepy. Mother, there is a clock inside you which tells you when to eat, when to sleep, and when to wake up.
Okay, stop Susan. Now you can mute yourself. Very nice. You have read very nice. Okay. Now Sherwin. Now it's your turn. You haven't read that day. उस दिन आपने नई reading की थी ना?
Yes, ma'am.
What? Yes, you did or not?
No, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, I know. So wait, I'm changing the chapter now. Read this poem. This is the next poem we are going to have.
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
Away from the city and into the sun, out to country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run near the trees, run little races, which each little breeze.
Yes.
Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away.
Okay. Very nice. Now mute yourself, Sherwin. And now Tripti, you start reading this poem.
यहीं से पढ़ लो।
Now, away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run near the trees, run little races, which each little bee. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the window, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away.
Okay, very nice. Now mute yourself. I will explain you most probably tomorrow. Today I want everyone to read this once. Okay? Okay. Sagra, now you start reading. You haven't read till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start.
Away from the city into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the rain with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away.
Very nice. Okay, now mute yourself. Now it's Sukirat. You haven't read till now. है ना? Unmute yourself, Sukirat. Yes. Can you see my screen? Now start reading.
Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run neath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day, run to the country, away, away.
Okay, very nice. Now mute yourself. Wait, I'm going to mute. Very nice. Okay. Now, let me, Archit, now it's your turn. But wait, beta, let me change this chapter. We will read the other story. Now everybody is having NCERT book, I guess. Okay. Most of you have.
Ma'am, I don't have NCERT book.
Archit, you don't have? Okay. See, I'm sharing the screen. Start reading, Archit. The topic, the chapter name is Nasruddin's aim. Okay? Start.
One day, Nasruddin was chatting with his friend. He became a
He began to boast.
he began to boast, "No one can match my skill in archery.
Yes.
I
I
string the bow, take an aim, and shoot an arrow. Ho, ho, a arrow is sure to hit bang on the target. Hearing this, one of his friend immediately brought a bow and some arrow, give them to
Nasruddin.
Nasruddin. He said,
Okay, fine.
"Here,
Archit, today do practice of this chapter. Although you have read nicely, but still, I want more fluency. Okay?
okay, ma'am."
Okay, now mute yourself, Archit. Seerath, you haven't read yet, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now start reading this.
Ma'am, from
day-
starting.
Yes.
One day, Nasruddin was chatting with his friends. He began to boast, "No one can match my skill in archery. I sting the bow, take
Archery,
aim,
okay?
and shoot the arrow. Whoosh! The arrow is sure to hit right on target." Hearing this, one of his friends immediately brought a bow and some arrows, giving them to Nasruddin. He said, "Here, Nasruddin, take this bow and arrows. Then point towards the target." He said, "Aim at shoot target and at that target and shoot an arrow." Nasruddin held the bow in his hands and aimed at
Your voice was not audible. Fine, beta. Very nice. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Am I audible, Seerath? Okay, fine. Now we have who are there? Arnav Atri.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible? Yes, start
Yes,
reading
ma'am.
from here.
Ma'am, where?
You read that day?
Ma'am, no.
No? Okay. So start from here. Nasruddin held.
Nasruddin. Okay, ma'am. Nasruddin held bow in his hands at the target and shoot an arrow. Who? The arrow didn't hit the target. Instead, it fell down somewhere in the middle. Ha 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 ha. His friends started laughing. They said, "Hey, Nasruddin, is this your best aim?" "Oh no, not at all," said Nasruddin, defending himself. "This wasn't my aim. It was Azad's aim."
Yes, continue.
Azadim, I just showed you how the Azad shoots an arrow. Saying this, Nasruddin picked up another arrow. Once again, he strung the bow and aimed at the target and shoot the arrow. This time, the arrow fell a little further than where it had fallen before.
Okay, stop, Arnav. Now mute yourself. Very nice. Now, Damanpreet, where
Yes,
were
ma'am.
you? Yes, you continue reading. Start reading from here.
Once again, he strung the bow, aimed at the target, and shot the arrow. This time, the arrow fell a little further than where it had fallen before. Ma'am, next screen. But it certainly did not hit the target. They asked Nasruddin, and this must be how you shoot an arrow. Of course not, argued Nasruddin. Even this aim was not mine, it was the chief god's aim. Now somebody remarked, well, now who's next on the list? Hearing this, all the friends burst. Nasruddin did not say a word.
Okay, very nice, Daman. You read very nicely. But few things were there. See, on the top of the screen, it is written, but it's certainly. I heard you read certainly, I guess. You read certainly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, this is certainly. Okay. And one more mistake was there. Can you see 1, 2, 3, 4? I guess this is the 6th or 7th line. It was the chief guard's aim. Okay, it is guards, chief guard's aim. Okay,
Yes,
very
ma'am.
nice. Others you have read very nicely. You can mute yourself now. Aradhya Mittal.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it's your turn. Continue this. Start from here. Hearing this, shall I
Okay, ma'am.
show you?
Ma'am, I have answered the book.
Okay.
Ma'am, hearing this, all the friends birds out laughing. Nasruddin did not say a word. He
Didn't.
quietly picked up one more arrow and again. And this time Nasruddin was really lucky. The arrow hit right on the target. Everybody started
Everybody.
at Nasruddin. Everybody
Stop once,
start-
Aradhya. Stop.
Yes,
Yeah, this is written. Everybody stared, not started. Stared का meaning होता है देखना. ठीक है? Everybody stared at Nasruddin. Okay? Now continue.
everybody stared at Nasruddin. Their mouths a gap in amazement. Amazement before anyone could say anything. Nasruddin sat
Triumphantly, beta.
triumphantly. Did you see that? It was my aim.
Okay, fine. Very few mistakes were there, but no issues. There are some difficult words also, and this chapter is very new to you people, है ना? So now, Aradhya, you can mute yourself. Okay, I have muted you. Okay, now what others? Devansh Sharma. You haven't read yet? अभी तक नहीं पढ़ा है ना आपने?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you have to read the chapter since the beginning. Okay, start.
One day, Neruddin was chatting with his friends. He became to
Rudran,
boast. No one can match my skill is HR. It string the bow, take any aim and shoot an arrow. Oh, oh,
Whoosh, this is the sound of the arrow. Okay.
okay, ma'am. The arrow is sure,
Sure.
sure hit
Hmm.
bang of ta- target. Hurrying this one of his friends immediately brought the brought a bow and some arrow.
Okay,
Give
Devang, stop
them.
it. Stop once. Beta, you have to practice a lot. Okay?
Okay,
Are you
ma'am.
listening, Devansh? Yes.
Yes.
I want you to practice more.
Okay,
Fine?
ma'am.
I'll ask you again someday, but please do practice at home every day. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now, almost everybody has got the chance. Abhi Rathore, you haven't read yet? You read that day? No, na?
No.
You haven't got the chance. Okay, so start reading from the beginning.
One day, Nasruddin was chatting with his friends. He began to boast, "No one can match my skill in archery. I'll sting the bow, take aim, and shoot the arrow. Whoosh! The arrow is sure to hit right on target."
Please slowly. A little. Okay.
Here's this. One of his friends immediately brought a bow and some arrows. Giving them to Nasruddin, he said, "Here, Nasruddin, take this bow and arrows." And then pointing towards a target, he said, aim at that target and shoot an arrow." Nasruddin held the bow in his hands, strung it.
Stop, Abhi. Very nice. But a little slow you have to read. You have read fine. Okay. So now please mute yourself. Dhruv, you start reading now.
Ma'am, from where he had left?
Okay. You want to continue? Then just a minute. Let me start reading from here. Nasruddin, can you see the spotlight?
Yes, ma'am.
Now start.
Nasruddin held the bow in his hands, strung it, aimed at the target, and shot an arrow. Woo! The arrow didn't hit the target. Instead, it fell down somewhere in the middle. Ha ha ha! His friends started laughing. They said, "Hey, Nasruddin, Is this your best aim? Oh no, not at all, said Nasruddin, defending himself. This wasn't my aim, it was Azad's aim. I just showed you how Azad shoots an arrow. Saying this, Nasruddin picked up another arrow once
Okay,
again.
stop. Very nice. Now mute yourself. Utkarsh, now you continue reading. Saying this, can you see the spotlight?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
start from here.
Saying this, Nasruddin picked up another arrow. Once again, he changed the bow, aimed at the target, and shoot the arrow. This time the arrow fell a little further than where it had fallen before.
Okay. Wait, my screen is not. Yes, now continue. Can you see my screen now? Yes, continue.
Cuttle did not hit the target. They asked Nasruddin, and this must be how you shoot an arrow. Oh,
Of
uh,
course. Yes, continue, Utkarsh.
uh,
Of course not.
again, Nasruddin,
Utkarsh, your voice is not audible. Speak, beta.
Nasruddin, even this aim was not
Mine.
mine.
Mine क्या होता है मेरा?
It was the chief
Guards.
guard's aim. Now, somebody
Somebody. हाँ.
remarked, well, now who's next
On the
on
list.
list?
Okay. Stop reading. Stop, Utkarsh. Now, I hope many of you get the chance today. Still many are left, I know. Now tomorrow again I have a period. Then tomorrow again we will be having reading session only. Okay. Rest of you will get the chance tomorrow. I know many of you are still left. I have written the names again. Okay. So rest of you will get the chance tomorrow. Arnav, yes, you can go to washroom. I'm also leaving the class now. So everyone, keep practicing reading. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now it's time to leave, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, everyone. Bye. Stay safe. Keep studying, okay? Keep reading.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
I want you to read out fluently. Not taking so many jerks in between, okay? Fine.
Yes, good morning everyone. Lavanya beta, sit properly. Why you are sleeping? Paviter, sit everyone. Sit properly, like in one place. Don't roam here and there. ऐसे चलते चलते नहीं पढ़ाई होती है. Like who is moving? Sit properly in one place. Good afternoon everyone. Yes, good afternoon it is. Yes, not good morning, good afternoon. And everyone open your videos. Ma'am want to see your faces. How you are looking today? Smart or not? Yes, everyone is smiling. Paviter beta, still you are sleeping. Paviter, you want to go outside the class? Paviter Singh. My voice is coming to everyone. Please do thumbs up if my voice is coming. Samagris, do thumbs up. Okay, fine. Everyone, Rudransh, Siddhant, Aditri, Vihan, Chaitanya. Okay, fine. What? Let me see everyone's faces, then we will start. If they are sleeping or what they are doing. Sherwin, yes. Sashwat Sujay, sit properly. Vani, Asad, Sukirat, open your video. Arush, Daman, Ayush Shukla, open your videos. Yes, Sridhanya. Now, beta, message me the name of the chapter we were talking about. क्या पढ़ा था हमने last class में? What we are doing? Anyone remember? क्या चल रहा है science में? Who will tell me what is going on? Which topic is going on? Rudransh Tiwari. Rudransh.
Terrestrial plant and aquatic plant.
Yes. What we are discussing, बेटा हम अभी कौन से types के plants के बारे में discuss कर रहे हैं? Terrestrial plants. Yes or no? है ना? अभी तो aquatic मैंने आपको करवाया नहीं है. What we are discussing? Terrestrial plant. Terrestrial plants में हमने कौन कौन से plants के बारे में कर लिया है? Who will tell me? Raise your hand. सीरत, what you are showing? Marigold. English का lecture है आपका. Raise your hand. Who will tell me? Terrestrial plants में हमने कौन कौन से plants के बारे में पढ़ चुके हैं? समग्र. Yes. Now you can speak.
terrestrial plants में
Yes.
वो pine वाला pine tree.
नहीं. What I am talking about, like plants on mountains, plants on lands, ऐसे बताना है आपको. Like this.
Then palm tree, banana tree, coconut tree.
No, you are not getting. Who will tell me? Vihan, can you explain?
Yes, ma'am.
टेरेस्ट्रियल प्लांट्स में हमने कौन कौन से प्लांट्स के बारे में पढ़ चुके हैं? मतलब कि लाइक
Ma'am, plants of desert,
yes, like this. Plants on deserts and
plants on mountains,
yes.
ma'am, and plants.
Revise in your mind, everyone. Plants on heavy rainfall areas, I think we have done or not?
Yes,
Start. Yes. Can you tell me features of plants on mountains? Who will tell me features of plants on mountains? क्या क्या features होते हैं plants on mountains? Sherwin. Sherwin. Plants on mountains. क्या क्या features होते हैं बेटा उनके? I told you. Everyone, think in your mind. Be ready with answers. Don't take so much time, beta. Raise your hand who know the answer. Simply raise your hand. Features of plants on mountains. क्या क्या features होते हैं plants on mountains के? Raise your hand. Ahana, your video is not visible. Am I audible to you? Ahana, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Open your video. I'm not able to see you, beta. Yes, now tell me features of plants on mountains.
Mummy,
Yes, speak jaldi se, faster. That means you have not read the chapter properly.
ma'am,
Yes,
the plants in the hills are no, in the mountains are like um this.
like cone shaped, and leaves are like needle shaped. Leaves कैसी है उनकी होती है उनकी needle shaped.
Like shape.
And they are flowerless होते हैं. और क्या होता है flowers के, instead of flowers they have
Ma'am, leaves.
spines. Yes or no? Let me revise. Okay, everyone, we will revise the chapter, then we will start. Everyone know what are terrestrial plant? Terrestrial plants are those which grows on land. ठीक है, अब उनके types हैं बेटा. There are types like plants on mountains. Very nice बेटा, very nice. These plants are usually tall, straight and cone shaped. आप देख सकते हैं पाइन ट्री क्या होता है, बहुत tall होता है and straight होता है बिल्कुल, and they are cone shaped. They are flowerless. They have cones instead of flowers like seeds inside them. आपने दिखाई भी थी मुझको pine cones दिखाई थी ना. Ahana has shown me and I think everyone has shown. Now listen carefully everyone. Ahana, Anav Gangwar, I will ask the question again. They have cones instead of flowers with seeds inside them. Leaves of these plants are thick and needle-like. Examples क्या क्या थे पवित्र, pine, fir and devdar. Fine. These are the plants on mountains. Can anyone tell me plants on plains? Plants on plains कैसे होते हैं? Plants on plains like mango tree, neem tree and people tree. मतलब ये trees के पास में बहुत ज्यादा branches होती हैं. They have a lot of branches. They can survive in very hot climate but shed their leaves during winter season. वो during autumn. Examples neem, mango, people, sal. Yes, Ahana.
Yes, ma'am.
Again repeat. Features of plants on mountains. You were not listening now. Plants on mountains.
Ma'am, they are flowerless.
Yes.
Instead of leaves, they have
Instead of flowers.
Instead of flowers, they have pines.
Yes. They have, yes.
And they are conical in shape.
Yes. Okay, fine. Now I will ask from someone else. Listen it carefully, everyone. Plants in lands. Lands में जो plants होते हैं कैसे होते हैं? They have a lot of branches. They can survive in very hot climate but shed their leaves during winters, during autumn. Fine. Example हो गया बेटा इसका mango, neem tree. That yes. Now plants in deserts. आपको बताया था like cactus, date palm plants. Yes or no? Aditri,
Yes,
tell
no.
me features of plants in deserts.
Most plants grow without leaves. They have spines instead of leaves. Spine prevent loss of water. Stem of plant such contains chlorophyll and makes food. It also stores water.
Yes,
Example
that's what
cactus,
I'm
dragon
saying.
plants.
Plants in deserts. Now we will talk about plants. Wait a minute. Plants in area of heavy rainfall. Anyone, can you tell me in India which state is having a lot of rainfall, maximum rainfall? GK question it is. Raise your hand or message me. Which state of India is having a lot of rain, maximum rainfall? Anyone? Do you know? समग्र नहीं पता. Archit, can you do you know which state of India is having maximum rainfall? आसाम में बेटा, असम में बहुत ज्यादा रेनफॉल होती है, असम साइड में. लाइक यस, देखो बेटा जहाँ पर ज्यादा बहुत ज्यादा हेवी रेनफॉल होती है, लाइक केरला, आई थिंक केरला में भी होती है, लाइक सी कोस्ट पर जो एरियाज होते हैं, those plants have leaves that remain green almost all year around and are called evergreen trees. ये जो प्लांट्स और ट्रीज होते हैं, इनकी जो क्या कहते हैं लीव्स होती हैं बेटा, ये कैसी होती हैं? एवरग्रीन होती हैं. एवरग्रीन प्लांट्स भी बोल सकते हैं आप इनको. क्या बोल सकते हैं? एवरग्रीन प्लांट्स. लाइक यस, विहान, रीड इट आउट बेटा. दोस प्लांट्स रीड करो जल्दी से. What my screen is visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
What is written?
Ma'am, those plants have leaves that remain green almost all year, almost all year round, and are called evergreen trees.
Examples are?
Ma'am, rubber tree, teak tree.
Yes, and smaller plants like sugarcane, rice and tea.
Rice tree and etc.
Yes, जो राइस और टी आपने देखा होगा बेटा. हैव यू सीन टी का प्लांट अपने आसपास? नहीं. टी का किधर की साइड होती है? मोस्टली आसाम, दार्जिलिंग, इन स्टेट्स में होती. तो इसमें वाई अहाना, डू यू हैव यू सीन टी प्लांट? अपने आसपास देखा है आपने टी प्लांट? यस बेटा. वाई? बिकॉज हमारा जो एरिया है लाइक हल्द्वानी, रुद्रपुर, यहाँ पर इतनी ज्यादा रेनफॉल तो होती नहीं है. दैट्स वाई इधर मीन्स हमारे स्टेट में जो टी प्लांट होता है वो होता ही नहीं है. टी होती नहीं है. टी की क्रॉप किधर होती है? जहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा रेन होती है, लाइक हैवी रेनफॉल एरियाज लाइक आसाम, दार्जिलिंग, उधर की साइड होती है टी. फाइन. दैट्स वाई जो प्लांट्स होते हैं अडेप्ट करते हैं चीजें. अगर हर कोई प्लांट हर कोई जगह नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है. Now we will talk about plants in marshes area. What is marshy area? Places where soil is very thick and clayey are called marshy area. जहाँ पर जो soil होती है बहुत ज्यादा स्टिकी होती है और क्लेई होती है. मीन्स बहुत ज्यादा क्ले आपने क्ले के आपके पास में क्ले होती है ना आदित्य, शेरविन? हैव यू सीन क्ले? आप लोग क्ले से चीजें भी बनाते हो. यस, वो क्ले कहाँ से मिलती है? क्ले मतलब मार्शी एरियाज में. मार्शी एरियाज में वो क्ले मिलती है आपको. प्लेसेस वेयर सॉइल इज वेरी स्टिकी एंड क्लेई आर कॉल्ड मार्शी एरियाज. द ट्रीज ग्रो इन मार्शी एरियाज आर कॉल्ड मैनग्रोव्स. मार्शी एरिया में जो ट्री ग्रो मतलब ट्रीज को क्या बोलते हैं मार्शी एरियाज वाले? मैनग्रोव्स. क्लेई सॉइल होल्ड्स अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर. जो वहां पे जो सॉइल होती है मार्शी एरियाज में, वो जो सॉइल होती है, आप देखो ये पिक्चर देख रहे हो एवरीवन? वेट अ मिनट, लेट मी ये पिक्चर को थोड़ा बड़ा कर देते हैं सो दैट एवरीवन इज क्लियर. देखो ये पिक्चर में देखो आप कितना क्लेई और अजीब सा हो रखा है. जो देखो प्लांट्स की रूट्स कैसे बाहर आ रखी है ना, बाहर दिख रही है ना, नीचे आपको रूट्स दिख रही है प्लांट की. यस और नो? अब इसका भी एक रीजन है कि इन प्लांट्स की रूट्स बाहर क्यों होती हैं. वेट अ मिनट. द ट्रीज ग्रोज इन मार्शी एरियाज आर कॉल्ड मैनग्रोव्स. क्लेई सॉइल होल्ड्स अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर एंड अ वेरी लिटिल एयर. जो सॉइल होती है यहाँ पर क्लेई सॉइल, ये क्या होती है? इसमें बहुत ज्यादा अलॉट ऑफ वाटर होता है, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा क्वांटिटी का वाटर होता है, बट जो एयर होती है वो बहुत कम होती है. और रूट्स को क्या चाहिए? एयर चाहिए ना ब्रीथ करने के लिए, एवरीवन नीड्स एयर। और मतलब जो भी ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वो किस में प्रेजेंट होता है? एयर में। दे वांट इट, बट क्या होता है, द रूट्स ऑफ मैंग्रोव्स ग्रो अबव द सॉइल बिकॉज एयर कैन नॉट रीच देयर रूट्स। जो ये जो प्लांट्स होते हैं, इनकी रूट्स बाहर आ जाती हैं। वाई? क्योंकि सॉइल में इनको एयर नहीं मिल पाती है। दे आर नॉट एबल टू ब्रीथ। दैट्स वाई जो इनकी जो रूट्स होती हैं वो कैसी होती हैं? बाहर को निकली हुई होती है। यस तो नो? और इसका एग्जाम्पल क्या है वो हु विल टेल मी? लिखा हुआ है स्क्रीन पर। अहाना, रीड इट आउट।
Rhizophora.
यस, एग्जाम्पल प्लांट्स इन मार्शी एरिया का एग्जाम्पल क्या है? राइजोफोरा। और प्लांट्स इन हैवी रेनफॉल एरिया का एग्जाम्पल क्या था? हु विल टेल मी? टीक ट्री।
Teak tree and rubber tree.
आई थिंक रबर ट्री उसमें बेटा मुझे कुछ चेक करना पड़ेगा। आई थिंक रबर ट्री होता नहीं है। लेट वी विल टॉक अबाउट टीक ट्री। आप ले सकते हैं एग्जांपल, टीक ट्री एंड स्मॉलर प्लांट्स लाइक शुगर केन, राइस, टी एक्सेट्रा। फाइन। नाउ मार्शी एरिया, हु विल टेल? यस, शेरविन। शेरविन, रीड दिस स्लाइड। रीड करो जल्दी से। एवरीवन रीड इन योर माइंड।
Place where soil is very sticky and clay are called marshy areas. The tree grows in marshy areas are called mangroves.
Yes.
This soil holds a lot of water and very little air. The
Air.
root of the mangroves grows above the soil because air cannot reach their roots. This type of roots is called breathing root. Example, rhizophora.
राइजोफोरा। जो इन प्लांट्स की, यस, इन प्लांट्स की जो रूट होती है उनको क्या बोलेंगे बेटा? ब्रीथिंग रूट। ब्रीदिंग रूट। फाइन एवरीवन, इट इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन? अर्नव गंगवार, सिद्धिम, आदित्य BIS, अर्जित, आफ्टर दिस एक और स्लाइड बची है बेटा बस। उसके बाद में व्हाट वी विल डू, आई विल हैव अ क्विज। क्विज होगी आपकी, सो लिसन इट केयरफुली। शाश्वत सुजय। फाइन। Shashwat is like, oh my god, ma'am, I don't want to study, huh? Okay, fine. Now we will talk about plants that grows in coastal areas. Have you any of you have gone Goa? Goa or like sea beach के पास में कोई गया है? Any one of you? Sea beach देखा आपने? Yes, Sherwin is raising hand. Yes, Sherwin, where you have went? कहाँ गए हो आप?
मैम गोवा गया था।
गोवा गए थे आप? ठीक है। गोवा के हैव यू सीन द प्लांट्स देयर? प्लांट्स देखे थे आपने उसके आसपास में? कैसे प्लांट्स होते हैं उधर? कोकोनट ट्री बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं। यस और नो? यस।
Yes, ma'am.
The plants that grows in coastal areas are adapted to hot and humid climate. कैसे अडेप्ट करते हैं वहां पे? ह्यूमिडिटी बहुत ज्यादा होती है और हॉटनेस बहुत ज्यादा होती है। These tree requires high rainfall. Example are coconut tree and rubber tree. क्या क्या एग्जाम्पल है? प्लांट्स दैट ग्रोज इन कोस्टल एरियाज मीन्स लाइक गोवा, लाइक सी के जो ये सहाना, यू वर रेजिंग हैंड।
Ma'am, I have gone to the southern part of India, to the beach side of Indian Ocean side.
ओके ओके ओके, फाइन। सो बेटा जो प्लांट्स होते हैं, जो कोस्टल एरियाज क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? जो लाइक सी के पास में होता है। सी के लाइक बीच आपने सुना है, सी के अराउंड में जो एरियाज होते हैं लाइक केरला हो गया, गोवा हो गया, दीज आर कोस्टल एरियाज, मतलब स्टेट्स। ठीक है, तो इधर पे प्लांट्स लाइक कोकोनट ट्री बहुत ज्यादा होता है केरला में, गोवा में। फाइन। नाउ योर टेरेस्ट्रियल प्लांट इज कंप्लीट। टेरेस्ट्रियल प्लांट आपका कंप्लीट हो गया है। एंड व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? एक्वेटिक प्लांट। एक्वेटिक प्लांट, व्हाट आर एक्वेटिक प्लांट? एनीवन? Raise your hand. Aquatic plant. Archit. Not able to unmute you, beta. Now you can speak,
ma'am.
Archit. Aquatic plants. Not voice is not coming. Wait a minute. I have to show you one video. Everyone, be ready. With a chapter. Everyone is like sleepy, so we will watch a video of the chapter. Fine, everyone. Wait a minute. Let me open that video. Wait for a minute, everyone. Fine. Yes. Now, if voice will not come, please message me. Or Ahana, I'm doing you unmute. अगर voice नहीं आ रही होगी, please inform me. Okay.
Surroundings. Plant Kingdom. Today we will learn about Plant Kingdom. Plant Kingdom means the natural surroundings where plants live and grow.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, only the voice is coming. The
Video is not
video
visible.
is not visible.
Okay. Now check.
Today we will learn about Plant Kingdom. Plant Kingdom means the natural.
Video is not coming. Video नहीं आ रही है. Why this is happening? I don't know. Yes, Shashwat. Yes, beta. Let me check. Wait a minute. Wait. Yes. Wait a minute, beta. अभी आपको स्क्रीन पर क्या दिख रहा है, शाश्वत सुजय? My screen is showing. आना.
Ma'am, it's clear.
कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है. Blank है.
Ma'am, only profiles are seeing. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, your videos are only shown. Ma'am, your voice is only coming. The image is not coming. Yes, ma'am.
The plants have
Still-
sloping shape, so that's no.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, abhi bhi nahi aa rahi.
They have
Wait a minute. Yes, beta.
like
Okay,
leaves
got it.
that can
Yes,
survive.
ma'am. Yes. Ma'am, yes.
अब आ गई?
It's audible, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Play from
Now let's-
start.
Yes, I have started. Now everyone keep
Today
quiet
we
and
will learn about Plant Kingdom. Plant Kingdom means the natural surroundings where plants live and grow. Plants grow almost everywhere on the earth. We can see plants in the plains, hills, desert, and also in and under the water. Here we see the trees are of different shapes. Some are round like a ball, some oval, some like ice cream cones. Why trees which
Ma'am, volume.
so different?
Ma'am, the volume is
The
low.
plants make some changes to survive in the
It is
different
full, beta.
surroundings. As some places get heavy rains, some get average, and some hardly get any. Some places are very hot, while some are very cold. Ooh. Soil of different places is also different. Some places have dry and sandy soil, while others have clayey or muddy soil. Some trees grow in cold and hilly regions. In fact, in some of these places, there is snowfall also. Trees in these places have sloping shape so that snow falls off easily from them.
voice is not coming.
I'm coming.
And you are listening.
Yes, ma'am.
Listen it carefully. After that, I will ask question, everyone.
Okay.
They have tough needle-like leaves that can survive in the cold and snow. Instead of flowers, they have cones. Therefore, they are called conifers.
Oh, that's why on the hill that tree name was Mr. Conifer. He did show me his pointed needle-like leaves.
Trees that grow in the plains have woody stem, flat and broad leaves. They have shape like an umbrella.
Yes, that banyan tree was like this, with flat and broad leaves and thick branches too.
The desert climate is hot and dry, so only few plants are found there. How do plants survive there? There is hardly any rainfall in the desert. Desert plants have fleshy stem to store the water. Their leaves are like ponds to prevent the water loss. Their roots are spread far out in search of water and quickly catch even a small amount of water.
So true. I only saw few plants there. Mr. Cactus also had the leaves like thorns.
Let us see the plants of the marshlands. They are so different. Why their roots come out of the soil? Marshes have clay soil which holds a lot of water. Therefore, air cannot enter in the soil. The roots of these trees cannot breathe in the marshes, so they have certain respiratory roots above the ground to breathe. Do you know what is so special about our country's national flower, lotus? Yes, it is definitely beautiful. It is also a water plant. It grows in the water only. Similarly, some other plants grow in the water only. They are called aquatic plants. These may grow in the rivers, lakes, or ponds, and even in the sea. The roots of some water plants like lotus and water lilies are fixed in the mud at the bottom of the pond. Big, thin leaves float over the surface of water. Do you wonder why they do not break when the water current is so strong? Stems of these plants are very flexible, so they can bend with the flow of water and don't get damaged by strong currents.
Now I know that little plant was an aquatic plant. Yes, it had flat, thin leaves.
Have you ever seen some plants floating in the pond or river? Plants like duckweed.
Yes, everyone. Terrestrial plants. Have you seen what you have seen in terrestrial plants? It is clear to everyone terrestrial plants like plants on mountains, plains, marshy areas. Your terrestrial plant part is complete. On your next turn, wait a minute, when you are having noise, let me check. We will have quiz.
Not audible.
My voice is not audible.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
have to speak a lot.
Ma'am, now it is audible. Ma'am,
Now it is audible. Wait a minute, let me check your timetable, then I will tell you on which day we are having your quiz.
Ma'am, 10
Yes,
minutes.
on Saturday. Yes, fine, beta. 10 minutes left. I think in my yes.
Ma'am, 10 minutes are left. We can have half quiz.
Quiz. Okay, fine. I will ask question from you, everyone. You have. I have not written. अभी मेरे पास written नहीं है. I will speak and you will message me in the chat box. Fine, everyone.
Ma'am, some time is left.
Some time is left. Yes, 10 minutes. 9 minutes is left, na?
Ma'am,
Yes.
before you were not clear. You was not clear.
My voice is, wait a minute. I am writing the questions here on the screen. Then you will message me in the chat box. Answer me the first one. Everyone.
Ma'am,
Please,
terrestrial plants.
what I am saying, answer in the, yes, right answer. Answer in the chat box, everyone. Don't speak. Yes, the right answer. Yes, Samag right answer. Ahana right answer. Very fast. Ma'am तो question पूरा complete कर नहीं पा रही हैं. You are sending me answer very fast. Very fast. Dhruv, Arav, Alisha.
And when you have written Shikhi, then I know the
There is still spelling is wrong. Dhruv, everyone. Beta learn the spelling also. Seerat, your spelling is also wrong. Yes, Chitrashri.
spelling is correct or wrong?
Let me check. आपको तो म्यूट करना पड़ेगा मुझे. Wait a minute. Marshi spelling is correct and I don't know beta what about, a lot of messages are coming. Everyone, I am writing the third one here. Be ready for third one. What desert plants have instead of leaves? क्या होते हैं desert plants के पास? Yes, Ahana right answer. Siddhant right answer. Arav Agrawal, very nice beta. Yes, Archit, Shashwat. Shashwat Sujay, wrong answer. Think about it. क्या होता है? Sukirat, yes, right answer. Mudit, right answer. Beta, I am not. I am writing the fourth one here. Okay. Fourth one, everyone. I am not getting the answer of the fourth one till now. Yes, Siddhant, right answer. Seerat, right answer. Arush, Rudransh, right answer. No, right, wrong answer. Ahana, wrong answer. Think about it. मैंगो ट्री का एग्जांपल लेके आप सोच सकते हो. क्या होता है मैंगो ट्रीज के पास? बहुत सारी. They have a lot of branches. Trees growing in plains have a lot of what? Branches. Answer this one. Lavanya, right answer. Fifth one. Let me check who will answer the fifth one. Very nice, Dhruv. Very nice, beta. Sherwin, very nice. Arav, very nice. That means you are listening. Ahana, very nice. Sridhanya, very nice, beta. No, Vani, Mani नहीं होगा. Breathing roots. बताया था आपको mangroves have breathing roots. Breathing roots होती है इनके पास because जो marshy areas में क्या होती है, soil is very sticky and clayey. That's why they have a lot of water in it and very less air. Now everyone tell me one thing. Do you want that quiz that we played on maths? हमने maths में quiz खेली थी that you have to make the question by yourself and someone else will answer. Do you want to play on science also? In science, everyone, do thumbs up if you want. You have to make question by yourself. Fine. अच्छे क्वेश्चन बनाने आपको. I will share you the slides. आज आपको कंटेंट मिल जाएगा. Terrestrial plant, complete terrestrial plant. Okay, everyone. जिनका भी whosoever left on maths quiz, we will yes. अभी हम लास्ट से स्टार्ट करेंगे. Like B से स्टार्ट करेंगे. A वालों का नंबर तो लास्ट में ही आएगा. Yes, everyone. Okay. So what you have to do on Saturday, we will be having this quiz of science in which you will ask the question. And everyone, first of all, what you have to do, आपको खुद से चैप्टर अच्छे से करना है टेरेस्ट्रियल प्लांट्स के बारे में खुद से. And prepare the question, everyone. How much question you will prepare? At least 4 or 5. Anyone having any query, Dhruv? Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, from where you will start the quiz?
From where means? Name.
From which letter?
From which letter? Yes, last time हुआ था A से L वालों ने क्वेश्चन पूछे थे. इस टाइम from this time what we will do? L से बाद वाले मीन्स आप लोग सब लोग क्वेश्चन बनाओगे randomly. I will pick.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Ahana is raising hand. Anyone else having any problem? Not able to unmute you, beta. Wait a minute. Yes, now you can speak.
Never.
Ahana, you can speak now. Anyone else? You were raising hand na, like this.
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Everyone. Yes, Vihan, having any problem? Anyone? Skripti, beta, prepare the question. A से starting वाले, A से L वाले क्या करेंगे? Answer करेंगे and everyone should answer. Fine, everyone. और आफ्टर दैट जब लाइक एल्स के बाद वाले ने क्वेश्चन पुट अप कर लिया होगा देन ए वाले क्वेश्चन पुट अप करेंगे. सबका नंबर आएगा. डोंट वरी, आई विल टेक द मोर टाइम. अदरवाइज नहीं आएगा सबका नंबर तो. यस यस, विहान इज रेजिंग हैंड. बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am in maths, my question is left.
अच्छा हाँ, तो on Friday we will having that quiz na. On Friday we will have 2 maths period. On 1 period we will play that quiz.
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone be ready. Okay, and for answering. Avi, Kadyan, Arav, Devansh. Yes, beta Devansh.
मैम हमारा वो क्विज रह गया था मैम. क्वेश्चन.
हाँ बेटा, that is I am talking about. On Friday we are having 2 maths period na, Devansh.
Yes, ma'am.
On that you can ask. ठीक है, Friday में start फिर से होगी maths quiz. On Friday, every Friday we will have that quiz. So everyone revise your work properly. Fine, Krishna. Krishna, what happened?
मैम मुझसे भी क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया करिए.
Yes बेटा, of course I will ask question from you. चलो जल्दी से बता दो what are yes marshy areas में plants का example दे दो मुझे. चलो wait a minute. माउंटेन एरियाज में प्लांट्स का एग्जांपल दे दो और ट्रीज का. माउंटेन एरिया फीचर बता दो देवांश. टेल मी फीचर्स ऑफ माउंटेन प्लांट्स.
Ma'am, tree, water.
अगमप्रीत,
Yes,
जगजोत, अगमप्रीत.
Yes, ma'am.
Mountain areas plant का example of feature. Anything you can tell. Devansh, beta, read the chapter at your home carefully. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I think time is getting over. Asad.
Yes, ma'am.
Mountain areas plant one feature.
What, ma'am?
Mountain area plants का one feature बता दो. अगमप्रीत. अगम बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, क्या हुआ? Crack वो.
My voice is cracking. Fine.
Ma'am,
चलो. In quiz we will talk about this. Okay, everyone. Yes, Sujay.
Ma'am, for tree. The door tree. Pine tree.
Ashwath, it is Devdar tree. Deodar tree, not Deodar tree. Yes. Okay, fine, everyone. Bye bye. Meet you tomorrow. In your math.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. Bye 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 bye. And prepare the question for your science quiz. अच्छे question.
Leave the class.
I think yes. Now you can. Time is yes.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye 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 beta. Bye.